Okay, so the princess has sent her own money. The Lolo has equally sent her own money.
Wow.
What about yours?
Same. The prince has given me the money,
Okay.
and the king also has sent his own.
All right, that's fine. So we're ready to
That's why
leave.
I'm so happy. I
We're
cannot
ready
wait
to
to
leave.
leave. Of course, I get married to you. I'm so excited.
So our days in this house are numbered. We're just going to pack our things, leave, and we'll get married.
I can't wait. I cannot wait.
Simple as...
Goodness. What in God's name is going on here? Talking to you. What is going on here?
You think I'm scared of you? Because you're the prince. I should be scared of you. Oh yeah. You saw me kissing her and you got crazy, you got mad. Would you have preferred I kissed your mom? Or kissed your sister?
Richard!
If I don't kiss her, who am I going to kiss?
Have you lost your mind?
No, I haven't lost my mind.
Are you talking to me like that?
My mind is intact. And yes, I'm talking to you like that. What are you going to do?
Richard!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.